వెల్కమ్ టు K6 నా పేరు శిరీష. ఈనాటి కాకతీయ గైడ్లైన్స్ కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఏర్పడిన తర్వాత ఇంటర్ ఫలితాల్లో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఫలితాల్లో కాకతీయ ప్రభంజనం. అదేవిధంగా ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లోనే కాకుండా రాష్ట్ర స్థాయి లాంటి ఎంసెట్ జేఈ లాంటి పోటీ పరీక్షల్లో సైతం స్టేట్ ర్యాంక్స్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ర్యాంక్స్ సాధించుకున్న ఘనత కాకతీయ విద్యా సంస్థలకు సొంతమైంది. అదేవిధంగా ఎంతో టఫ్ అనిపించే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఫిజిక్స్ కెమిస్ట్రీ లాంటి సబ్జెక్ట్స్ పరంగా చూసినట్టయితే బైకి బై మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకున్న కనుక కూడా కాకతీయ విద్యార్థులకే సొంతమైంది. అలాంటి కాకతీయ విద్యార్థులు ఇప్పుడు మన స్టూడియోలో ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు వారితో ముఖాముఖి చర్చ కాకతీయ మహిళా కాలేజెస్ వారితో. ముందుగా కంగ్రాట్స్ మీ అందరికి మంచి మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేసినందుకు. అదేవిధంగా ఇంట్రడక్షన్ మీ యొక్క ఇంట్రడక్షన్.
Hi, I'm Samhita. I'm studying in Kakatiya Mahila Junior College in BPC Group, Nizamabad.
Your introduction.
Hi, this is Kirtana. I'm from Kakatiya IIT Academy. I have scored 462 out of 470 marks in IPE exams.
I'm Sahana from Kakatiya IIT Academy. I secured 460 marks out of 470. I'm very happy for getting this mark.
Hello, I'm Hiranmai, studying in Kakatiya IIT Academy, Nizamabad.
What is your colleging plans?
Our college planning is very perfect and clear. I can say this with proud because our college prepares a syllabus schedule in which all the syllabus subject has been included. And this syllabus schedule come into act only after the rechecking of our management sir, principal sir and HOD sir. And our college starts from morning 8:52 and it ends at 5:40. So during this time duration, we have subject classes and along with that we have study hours too. So a student finds more benefit because of the study hours because our college provides a senior lecturers for every subject. So because of the senior lecturers and more interaction with them, we feel very easy to clear our doubts and to ask them any problem which we feel difficult. And our syllabus schedule is very perfect and clear by which every topper and either duller can also be improved from their positions. And I feel very happy by seeing our college schedule because it is very convenient to toppers and as well as dullers. And everyone can improve their position and their marks too.
Okay, Kirtana, how did you balance in IPE, IIT in your IIT academic?
In our Kakatiya IIT Academy, we have a good schedule and good planning. That is very clear to all the students. They gave a schedule planning on the beginning of the year itself. So we know the schedule of a total year. By that we got confidence. Yes, the schedule is very good. We have selected a good college for our future. They gave us first 3 months IP total syllabus. They have planned and they taught us very clearly. We got total full-fledged preparation on IP in first 3 months itself. Then next they proceeded to IIT 4 months. We have got total revision of IP syllabus again, and then next IIT also they gave us total depth of IIT concepts. We solved many bits based on IIT syllabus, and then next 3 months they have again started our IP revision. First 15 days of January they gave all subjects revision. They gave a nice plan to prepare, and then next from January 15th onwards we have written many exams based on IPE syllabus. Every day they used to conduct many exams. First half day we used to read all the topics or whatever we practice the maths topics. They used to conduct only 3 topics for 75 marks. They used to give question paper without choice. By that we have to prepare all the all the questions and all the problems so that we may not miss any question. If in exams we get unexpected questions, we may attend that. In that way they prepared us. All the exams we have attended very well and we have scored very good marks in our home exams as well as IPE also we have scored very good marks. And we got separate schedule for IIT and IPE. For IIT they have conducted many exams weekly. In that they conducted the exams in same as JEE pattern, and IPE also pre-finals they have conducted same as JEE pattern, not only pre-finals but also quarterly and half yearly. By that we got a grip on IPE pattern and as well as IIT pattern.
Okay. కాలేజ్ షెడ్యూల్ ప్రకారం అంటే ఐపీకి ఐఐటికి 3 మంత్స్ ఒకదానికి 4 మంత్స్ ఒకసారికి చెప్పేయడం, మళ్ళీ తర్వాత జనవరి ఫస్ట్ వీక్ అలా రివిజన్ చేయడం, మళ్ళీ అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వడం వల్ల మీకు ఐపీ అయినా ఐఐటీ అయినా రెండుని ఒకే విధంగా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తూ మంచి మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేస్తున్నామని చెప్తున్నారు. అదేవిధంగా సహన, మరి హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ కాలేజ్ ఎగ్జామ్ షెడ్యూల్డ్?
At the beginning of the academic year, our college management, HODs and lecturers will prepare excellent exam schedule for us, which is very useful. And every Sunday they use it to conduct exams from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. in which 3 sections will be. And the first is section A. It has 10 very short answers. Each question carries 2 marks. And the following is section B. It has 8 questions. We have to attempt only 6 question answers. Each question carry 4 marks. And the last is section C. It has 3 long answers, and we have to do only 2 long answers. It carries 16 marks. When we come to JEE mains, the paper will be according to the JEE. In JEE, 3 subjects will be there: physics, chemistry and maths. From each subject 30 questions will come, and the question is in the way of choose the correct answer. Each question carry 4 marks. And by conducting number of exams, we got clarity about the exams, and now we are able to write any competitive exams. And our exams also are conducted so strictly.
ఓకే, మీ కాలేజ్లో ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రణాళిక అనేది ఒక టఫ్గా ఉంటుంది. మళ్ళీ ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చినా మేము దాన్ని చూస్ చేయగలము, రాయగలము. ఏమైనా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ దాన్ని క్లారిఫై చేసుకుంటాము. ఈ విధంగా మా షెడ్యూల్ ఉంటుంది ఎగ్జామ్ అని చెప్తున్నాం. అదేవిధంగా హిరణ్మయి, మ్యాథ్స్ హ్యాస్ 2 పేపర్స్, బట్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ ప్రిపరేషన్ దెమ్?
Yes, maths is 2 papers, 1A and 1B. We have very good and very experienced lecturers for each paper. As we prepare for competitive exams and for IP parallelly, we have an advantage, as the same topic is taught twice, once during competitive classes and once during IP classes. And by practicing it at home, we get perfect in that topic. And even tests are conducted every week. By these tests, we can analyze our performance and work more on the topics in which we are weak. For example, if we take properties of triangle from 1A, it has number of formulas, and it is a very difficult task to remember all of them. But our lecturers introduced various techniques to remember them and made it very easy for us. And if we take differentiation and applications of differentiation from 1B, these are one of the most important chapters in the subject, and most of the students feel it to be difficult. But for us, it is not at all difficult, as we practiced various problems in our IIT classes and as well as in our IP classes, that we got a good command over the subject. And our lecturers were also very helpful. It is because of them that we scored good marks.
ఓకే హిరణ్మయి, మ్యాథ్స్లో 2 పేపర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అందులో టఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ని మేము ముందుగా ఎంచుకొని దానికి ఫుల్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తాము. అదేవిధంగా మా లెక్చరర్స్ కూడా మాకు వచ్చిన డౌట్స్ని క్లారిఫై చేయడం వల్ల మేము మ్యాథ్స్లో మంచి మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేసుకోగలము అని చెప్తున్నావు. అది డిఫికల్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏం కాదు, దాన్ని ఎక్కువగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం వల్ల అది ఈజీనే అని చెప్తున్నాం. అదేవిధంగా సంహిత, మరి వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ప్లానింగ్ ఇన్ ఫిజిక్స్ అండ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ?
Physics and chemistry are both difficult subjects. Actually, they are the 2 dissimilarities. But no student can find what is the mean by word difficulty in our college, because we have every subject for a senior lecturer, and our lecturers had trained us in such a way that we can solve any topic. Either it may be a problem or a theory part. But now coming to the physics, it completely of theory part and includes some difficult problems. But we have some difficult chapters in physics, like work energy and power, and mechanical properties of solids and liquids. But now a student cannot find any difficulty in these topics, because we were trained very professionally that we can understand every problem and theory part and anything. And chemistry is completely of reactions. In chemistry too, we have some different difficult chapters, like inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is a very vast chapter, and thus we have number of problems and number of topics which have to be solved. And for example, we have balancing of reaction in acidic medium and in basic medium and in oxidation state too. And every student find a difficulty in chemistry in this particular chapter, stoichiometry. But our lecturers has made a very preparation that students have to do on the board. And in leisure times, the students also feel some difficulty in this balancing reactions, we used to do on the board in leisure times. and our college our college completely takes interest in IPE and in MSET too. And in this year, we got some unexpected questions in IPE board examinations. But our college students have attended all the unexpected questions. This is because the preparation, the schedule, which have been provided to us by our management. And not only in this year, for every year, every student of Kakatiya College will attend all the unexpected questions just because of preparation of IPE and along with that MSET.
ఓకే, ఫిజిక్స్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో కూడా అదేంటి అనుకోని క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా మేము దాన్ని చూస్ చేసి రాస్తాము అని చెప్తున్నారు. అంటే మా సర్స్ ఆ విధమైనటువంటి ప్రణాళికను ఇస్తారు, మేము అలాంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్ ముందుగానే ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు అని అదే విధంగా చెప్తున్నావు. కాకతీయలో ప్రతి ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్స్ అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ని కూడా రాస్తారని చెప్తున్నాం. అదేవిధంగా కీర్తన, మ్యాథ్స్ యాజ్ వెరీ టఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్, హౌ డిడ్ యూ గుడ్ మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ ఇన్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్?
Maths is very vast. It has two parts, 1A and 1B. In 1A we have again two parts, algebra and trigonometry. And in 1B also we have two different parts, geometry and calculus. In 1A we have algebra part and trigonometry part. We have two different lecturers for algebra part and for trigonometry part. In algebra we feel functions somewhat difficult, but we did not face much problem in that because we have separate lecturers for algebra and trigonometry. They used to spend lot of time with us. Whatever difficulties we have, they used to clear all the difficulties, all the doubts whatever we have, and every student they used to make perfect. They prepared us very well that however maybe the question paper we can attend, we will get the confidence that yes, we can attend the question paper however it may be. And we scored good marks in IPE and 1B. In 1B it is difficult that differentiation, all students feel differentiation very difficult, but we did not feel any difficulty in that because our lecturers taught differentiation very good and in very well manner. We feel somewhat applications of derivatives somewhat tough, but not that much, because our lecturers made us very free with applications of derivatives also. And maths paper costs 10 marks, 10 very short answers which cost 20 marks, and then next short answers. In that we get 4 marks for each short answer, and then next very long answers which cost 5 questions. We have to attempt 5 out of 7. Each carries 7 marks. In that we have a blueprint. In which chapter we may get long answer, in which chapter we may get very short, and from which chapter we may get short answer. They prepared in such a way that in this chapter we may get very short answer, so we have to cover all the very short answers from this chapter. Of course some chapters will be there, locus, transformations in 1B, that will cover only 4 marks answers, but they made us to practice all very short as well as long. Of course they are not there in that chapter, but whatever problems we have in that chapter, all we have covered from that chapter. And then next pair of straight lines, that covers only 2 long answers, but we have practiced for short answers also. We may not expect however the question paper may be, so however the question paper may be, we can attend that. In that way they prepared us, and in that way we scored very good marks in maths also.
Okay, Sahana, generally it is difficult subject to languages, but you got 98 marks in. How did you possible?
Yes, I agree with you. It is very difficult to get marks in languages. For all the subjects, they will take, and for all the subjects, they will give equal importance. That is because if we get good, it is very important to get good marks in languages such as Sanskrit and English. If we get good marks in languages, our IPE percentage will increase. This IPE percentage is very useful in MSET and JEE Mains. That's why our college will never neglect the exams, will never neglect the languages. When we talk about the Sanskrit, we has highly experienced lecturers with the experience of not less than 10 years.
ఓకే, మీకు అంటే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ పరంగానే కాకుండా లాంగ్వేజెస్కి కూడా మాకు సబ్జెక్ట్స్కి ఏ విధమైనటువంటి ప్రిపరేషన్ ఇస్తారో లాంగ్వేజ్కి కూడా అలాంటి ప్రిపరేషన్ ఇస్తారు. అదేవిధంగా మాకు లెక్చరర్స్ అనేది 10 years కంటే ఎక్కువ సీనియర్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళే ఉన్నారు అనేసి చెప్తున్నావు. అదేవిధంగా హిరణ్మయి, హౌ డిడ్ యూ ప్రిపేర్ ఇన్ ఐపీ ఎగ్జామ్స్?
In our Kakatiya IIT Academy, in the first 3 months, they finish all the IP syllabus with exams. IP has 6 subjects: English, second language, maths 1A and 1B, physics and chemistry. After these 3 months, we are taught for JEE mains. And again in the month of January, they revise all the IP syllabus. And they conduct 3 pre-finals in the month of February. And these tests are conducted very strictly under the supervision of our senior most lecturers. After getting the results of the pre-finals, the concerned lecturer calls each student and clarifies the mistakes and helps them to improve so that we do not repeat those mistakes again in the final exam. Our unit tests, formative tests, quarterly and half yearly are conducted very strict, and in this way we prepared for our IP exams.
How is your management experiment?
Okay, I feel very proud that our management encourages every student, not only toppers, below average student, and average student. Our management encourages every student without seeing any discrimination in the students. And oh my God, I have not seen such kind of encouragement in my complete life that I have seen in my institution. And every week, motivation classes have been conducted in our college. And in this college, in this motivation classes, we will the lecturers will train that you have to celebrate the beauty of life. You just have to go through all the difficulties, and you should pass all the difficulties in your life to come in your way, that nothing should be there in your way. And every week exams have been conducted in our college, and the student, if he get less marks or his performance is not up to the mark, our college man just encourages them. They'll not put them down. Our management, they'll not forces them, and they'll again, instead of that, they'll encourage us. You have to do more better than this. Don't feel that you got less marks and all and all. And I feel very proud that our college man encourages, and at the same time it also provide many good faculty, senior faculty, and our management, our chairpersons like Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Rajinikanth sir, Raju sir, and Teja ma'am, Sati sir. They all been very good lecturers and faculty. I feel very proud that I've been a part of this journey in Kakatiya institutions. I feel that I'm blessed with such a good institution in this year. All in all, it was a good, fantastic experience that I've been associated with Kakatiya in the journey 2015.
మీ కాకతీయ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అనేది తక్కువ మార్క్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా వారికి అంటే ఎంకరేజ్ ఎక్కువ చేయడం వల్ల మీకు ఇంకా అది ఇంకోసారి అలాంటి మిస్టేక్ రిపీట్ కాకుండా మంచి మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేశారు. మరి క్లెవర్స్ డల్లర్స్ అనే కాకుండా ఇద్దరికి ఒకే భావంతో చూడడం వల్ల మంచి బెస్ట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్, నువ్వు మంచి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ని ఎంచుకున్నావని చెప్తున్నావు. అదేవిధంగా కీర్తన, టెల్ అబౌట్ యువర్ ఐఐటి అకాడమీ.
Kakatiya IIT Academy. We have special campus for Kakatiya IIT Academy, which is situated near the main branch itself in Prakati Nagar. We have separate classrooms for boys and girls. We have AC campus, and we have very experienced lecturers in our IIT Academy. Their experience is of nearly 20 or 25 years. Every lecturer has minimum experience of 20 years. By that we can get a lot of points from them. They have a number of situations they have faced. They got many experiences in their life. All that they share with us. They gave many coaching classes like how we have to prepare for IP and how we have to prepare for IIT. Our college functions from morning 8 to 6:30. In that we have 11 periods, each period of 50 minutes, and 3 periods for each subject: maths, physics and chemistry. And for languages we have one period, for Sanskrit 1 period, and for English 1 period. From that, maths lecturers used to teach 2 hours and 1 hour for counseling and study hours. In that counseling, they used to tell us about the papers, how the papers we may face in our future, how competitive exams will be conducted. We got total grip about our exams. We have removed all our fear. Whatever fear we have about exams, we have removed all that. And they gave us very well education about our exam schedule and how we have to prepare for that, how if we prepare, how we may score good marks, and how we can get a straight rank. They gave all the information about that. And then same in physics also, they taught 2 hours class and 1 hour counseling and study hours. and 2 hours class in chemistry, 1 hour study hour. For each subject we have 3 lecturers. Especially maths, we have 3 lecturers. In chemistry and physics, we have 2 lecturers. We have 2 tracks for every subject, and in one track, one lecturer used to teach us, and in another track, one lecturer used to teach us. And especially maths, 3 lecturers we have. Algebra part, 1 lecturer used to take up, and trigonometry part, 1 lecturer used to take up, and total maths 1B part, 1 lecturer used to take up. Actually, geometry is a very short topic. It completes in less time, so that we have only 1 lecturer for maths B. If not, they used to give 2 lecturers for maths 1B also. As 1B is somewhat less compared to 1A, they gave us only 1 lecturer, and they used to guide us very well, have the papers of IPE. They gave us the pattern, and every exam they conducted in the same pattern as IPE, but not weekly test, because weekly test is of only 40 marks. They conducted weekly test questions without choice. We have to attempt all the questions. There is no choice. And after exams, they used to correct the answer scripts, and they used to tell us our mistakes, and they used to rectify our mistakes. By that, we may not make the same mistakes in the IPE exams as well as any higher competitive exams. And physics and chemistry also, we have to draw the diagrams, all the problems we have to solve very well. And in physics, for problems also, we have to draw the diagrams. By that, we may get good marks. We may score very good marks. And in maths, how we have to write the problem stepwise. Every step should be written in IPE. In IIT, we have shortcuts, so we have get practice for shortcuts also. How we have to do the same problem in a minute, and how we have to do the same problem for a long time, such as IPE. In IPE, we have a very long answer, which costs 10 minutes of time. Not 10 minutes, but 5 to 7 minutes of time. In same problem in IIT, will solve in 1 minute itself. So they have said us many techniques, how we have to solve the problem, how we have to solve in short way, how we have to solve in IPE. Every step should be written in IPE, so that we have given 7 out of 7 or 4 out of 4 marks. And we have topics, straight lines. Suppose in straight lines we get 22 marks weightage. How we have to prepare straight lines? Pair of straight lines. In that, we have only 2 long answers from for IPE. How we have to prepare that? From where we will get very long answers? They have gave us all the information, all the techniques of how we have to maintain the answer script. All they have gave us clear. They made us clear. And JEE mains, especially in the time of IIT teaching, they said us the JEE mains question paper pattern. In that, they used to conduct every weekly test. In that test, they used to give 4 sets of papers. For different students, they used to give different papers. Every set A, B, C, D, 4 sets are used to given. And in that 4 sets, one may get 1 set and other student may get other set. If we get 1 set, we used to solve all the problems in that, all the bits in that. We may write the key. After the examination, we used to collect all the 4 sets, and after going home, we used to do all the problems from 4 sets. By that, in one exam, we used to write 4 exams. In that way, we became very perfect in IIT bits also. Have to do every bit, have to create logic for that bit. In that way, we became very perfect in IIT as well as IP, and we scored good marks in IP, and as well as I have the confidence that I will score a good rank in IIT also, and I will get a good seat in IIT in Mumbai or Kharagpur, whatever, a best IIT campus.
ఓకే మీ కాలేజ్లో అంటే ఒకే సబ్జెక్ట్కి ఒకే టీచర్ ఉండకుండా, సార్ ఉండకుండా, అంటే అందులో ఒక్కొక్క ప్యాటర్న్కి ఒక్కొక్క సార్స్ ఉంటారు. ఆ విధంగా మాకు ఎంతటి టఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అయినా ఈజీగా మేము చేయగలము. అదేవిధంగా రాష్ట్ర స్థాయి లాంటి జేఈ, ఐటీఈ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో కూడా మాకు ప్రిపరేషన్ అనేది ముందుగానే జరుగుతుంది. మేము కంపల్సరీ అలాంటి పోటీ పరీక్షల్లో మంచి ర్యాంక్ సాధిస్తామని చెప్తున్నాం. ఓకే, అదేవిధంగా హౌ డిడ్ యూ స్కోర్ ఇన్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్?
It is a language. For language, they may not give full out of full marks. 98 is last for English. nowadays English is very important in our daily life. Wherever we go, whatever interview we may attend, that is conducted in English. They first see our communication skills. How is our communication and how we are communicating, what is our body language. First they observe all this. English is not only important for scoring marks, it is also important for our future also. How we score good marks, how our lecturers taught us in English. First they gave guidance about English, how English is important in our daily life and how we may face the interviews conducted in English. So English is very important that we know. They gave all the information, what prose, how many lessons we have in prose. First we have 6 lessons in prose and 5 lessons in poetry, and then non-detail also we have 6 lessons. They give equal importance for prose, poetry as well as non-detail. Mainly they give much importance to grammar because it is very important. It covers 60 marks. Out of 100 marks, grammar is of 60 marks. They have taught us all the topics, articles, prepositions, phonetics, all the topics very well. Of course, we have choice in grammar, phonetics and odd sounds. We have choice for that both, but they did not neglect any, either odd sounds they did not neglect or phonetics they did not neglect. They gave full information about phonetics as well as odd sounds. In that way, we may attempt all the grammar also. How we have to get 60 out of 60 in grammar, and if we get 98 marks in English, we may stand as a state topper. They gave all the information how to attempt English question paper first. So first we have to attempt English in English. First we have to attempt section B, then next section C, and then last we have to go for section A. Section B is of comprehensions, consists of 10 marks, and grammar. Section C, it consists of all articles, prepositions, verb forms, transformations, all the topics it covers. And then next question answers. In question answers we have 4 bits. First bit of prose, 5 bits. First bit of annotations of prose and second bit of annotations of poetry. And then next question answers of prose, and then next question answers of poetry, and then next non-detailed questions. All we have choice. In every section we have choice in question answers. But we did not neglect choice lessons. In choice, every question from different lesson. So we may neglect 2 lessons, but our lecturers did not said us to neglect any lesson. They said us to prepare every lesson, every topic, because it is not only important for scoring marks, it is also important for our future. In prose, we have a lesson named lateral thinking, thinking out of the box. It is very important in our daily life also. I give you an example that how a millionaire faces a difficulty. He goes for a tour. He have a meeting. He goes for a tour. Then he have to park his Ferrari car somewhere. So if he park in that city, it costs much. So he goes for a bank and he takes small amount of $5,000 loan, and he gives a surety as his Ferrari car. That car he places in the bank, and he pays $15, just $15 interest for that car. If he parks that somewhere, it takes much. In that way, they gave us how we have to face in daily life and how we have to come over our difficulties in our daily lives. However, the difficulty may be we come across, we have to solve that in an easy way, not only in normal thinking, we have to have lateral thinking also. And one real story also we have in our English, that is, you are on the 87th floor and something is terribly wrong. That is a real story. World Trade Towers have collapsed in September 2011. That is also we have in our English. That they said as a real story. We feel, yes, this is happening here. We are seeing that. In that way they have said that, yeah, this is a 3D picture. In that way we feel. They said very nice in such manner. We go into fantasy, dreams, wow. It is going on in front of us. Yes, in that way they taught us, and all the difficulties we come across, we solved that, and we got good marks in English also. and I hope all the students of Kakatiya have scored very good marks in English. All the students scored 90 above in English. That is not a joke. It is very good result. 90 above in English is very good. Actually, that who are correcting, they feel some back we have to give or not, but they will give by seeing our paper. Yeah, this is very good. This is very good. We have to give. If we did not give, the students will lose their future. So they give us very nice. They gave us very nice guidance about the English, such a way how we have to attempt the answer script, and we got nice marks. Thank you.
ఓకే, అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో గుడ్ మార్క్స్ రావడానికి మా కాలేజ్ లెక్చరర్స్ ముందుగా ఇంగ్లీష్ పేపర్ని ఎలా అటెండ్ చేయాలి, ఏ సెక్షన్కి ముందుగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఏ సెక్షన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా రాయాలని చెప్పడమే కాకుండా అదేవిధంగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేసే గ్రామర్ లాంటి పార్ట్స్కి కూడా ఎక్కువ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఇవ్వడం వల్ల మంచి మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ అయినాయి అంటున్నారు. అదేవిధంగా మీ కాకతీయ విద్యా సంస్థలో ఒక్కరికి ఇద్దరికే కాదు, చాలా మందికి ఇంగ్లీష్లో 90 ఎబోవ్ మార్క్స్ వచ్చినాయని చెప్తున్నారు. అదేవిధంగా సహనా,
They gave us separate material for question answers and as well as grammar. Our grammar material is very good. It covers many examples and question answers material. Firstly, it covers guidance. In the top of the page, we have some lines. If we read that, we get inspiration. Yes, we may score 98. Yes, in this way, if we attend, yes, we may score 98. In that way, our Kakatiya lecturers prepared us special notes, and we come across that notes. If we read that, yes, in that way, if we answer, we definitely score above 95 or 98 also. It is possible. In that way, our Kakatiya students score 95, 96, 97, 98, like that, many marks in English, but not 99. It is not possible.
ఓకే. అదేవిధంగా సహనా, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ గోల్?
My goal is IITN. I want to get good rank in MSET, and I am very proud to study in this college, and definitely I am going to achieve it.
ఓకే, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ గోల్?
My goal is to become an aeronautical engineer and join Indian Air Force to serve my country. And I'm very happy to be in Kakatiya institutions. It is a place where your ambitions will be molded into reality. And I'm very confident that one day I will definitely achieve my goal through this institution.
ఓకే, సంహిత, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ గోల్?
I want to become a doctor because these days hospital charges have been more increased. So every people are feeling very difficulty to fill the hospital charges. So at least per a month in a day, I want to treat all the people, poor people and handicapped people with a free of cost. And I just want to allot campaigns with my doctor staff at least once in a year. I just want to allot campaigns in which I can provide medical facilities for every people. Those are very poor and they are unable to fill the hospital charges. I feel very happy that I've joined in this college, and in this college everyone can complete their dreams into reality. Everyone can achieve their goals.
ఓకే, నువ్వు డాక్టర్ కావాలని మేము కూడా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఎందుకంటే డాక్టర్గా అయి పూర్ పీపుల్స్కి హెల్ప్ చేస్తానంటున్నావు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కాలంలో హాస్పిటల్ ఛార్జెస్ చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి. నేను మెడికల్ క్యాంప్స్ కూడా అరేంజ్ చేస్తా అలా చెప్తున్నావు కాబట్టి నువ్వు డాక్టర్ కావాలని మేము కూడా అనుకుంటున్నాం. అదేవిధంగా కీర్తన, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ గోల్?
I want to become an IITian, and I want to get a good rank in IIT, and I want to get a good seat in best IIT, like Mumbai IIT or Kharagpur IIT, wherever. But IIT.
ఓకే, నువ్వు కూడా మీరు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మీ యొక్క గోల్ని రీచ్ కావాలని మా K6 తరపున మేము కూడా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. సంహిత, వాట్ డిడ్ యూ సే ఇన్ కంప్లీటెడ్ SSC స్టూడెంట్స్?
I just want to clear for all the students one thing, that it is not important that how much time have you taken to complete something. It is very important that how much have you studied in some particular time. So without any hesitation, all the students those are now in the SSC study. So we have, without any hesitation you can join our college, because in our college we give importance for how much the student have read per a particular time or a day. It is not important that how much time have you taken to complete a subject.
కీర్తన,
No problem. Whoever completed the SSC, they can come and join our college. If you meet our lecturers, they will give you good guidance about your future, good counseling, whatever you want to become. You can tell to our lecturers. They will give you good guidance and good whatever your aim. Suppose you want to become an IITian, have to become an IITian. In which branch if you join, you can score good IIT rank. In that way they will give you good guidance. Thank you.
అదేవిధంగా ఇంకోసారి మీకు కంగ్రాచులేషన్, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లోనే కాకుండా సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో కూడా మంచి మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేసుకోవాలని మా కేసిక్ తరపున మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, మీరు 10th కంప్లీట్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే మీరేం ఫీల్ అవ్వద్దు. మన నిజామాబాద్ నగరంలోనే కాకతీయ అనేది ఒక బెస్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ స్టడీ కాలేజ్ ఉంది. అదేవిధంగా మీరు మీ ఫ్యూచర్లో ఏం కావాలనుకుంటున్నారు, మీ ఎయిమ్ ఏంటి, మీ ఎయిమ్ని ఏ విధంగా చూస్ కావాలో మనకు ఇక్కడ లెక్చరర్స్ అన్ని విధాలుగా మనకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. దానికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మేమే కాకతీయ ఆనిముత్యాలం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అండ్ స్టేట్ ర్యాంకర్స్ అని చెప్తున్నారు. అదేవిధంగా చూస్తున్నారు కదా కాకతీయ విద్యార్థులతో చర్చ, వారి యొక్క ఎయిమ్ని వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా చూస్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, వారు ఎలాంటి అంటే నిర్భయంగా చెప్తున్నారు మేము మా యొక్క గోల్ని ఈ విధంగా రీచ్ అవుతాం. దానికి కారణం మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఈ విధమైనటువంటి షెడ్యూల్ని మాకు ఇస్తారు, ప్రణాళికాబద్ధమైనటువంటి షెడ్యూల్ని. అదేవిధంగా స్టడీ అవర్స్కి క్లాసెస్కి డిఫరెంట్ లెక్చరర్స్ కాకుండా మాకు స్టడీ అవర్స్లోనూ అదేవిధంగా క్లాసెస్లోనూ కూడా ఒకే విధమైనటువంటి లెక్చరర్స్ ఉండడం వలన మాకు ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్ రావు. మాకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా మేము వెంటనే దాన్ని క్లారిఫై చేసుకుంటాం. వచ్చిన డౌట్ని ఇంకోసారి మిస్టేక్ జరిగింది దాన్ని ఇంకోసారి రిపీట్ కాకుండా చేయడం వల్ల ఇంతటి మంచి మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. అదేవిధంగా ఇంగ్లీష్ సబ్జెక్ట్ పరంగా స్కోరింగ్ అనేది కూడా ఒక విధంగా మనం ఎంట్రన్స్ జేఈ ఎంసెట్ లాంటి ఎంట్రన్స్లో తోడ్పడతాయి అలాంటి మార్క్స్కి కూడా సెకండ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లాంటి సబ్జెక్ట్స్లో కూడా ఏ విధంగా మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ మాకు ఎలా ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్స్ అటెండ్ చేయాలనే విధంగా కూడా చెప్తున్నారు అనేసి మనం విన్నాం కదా. ఇది ఈనాటి కాకతీయ గైడ్లైన్స్ కార్యక్రమం. మరో కార్యక్రమంలో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. అప్పటి వరకు చూస్తూనే ఉండండి మీ K6.